Ever tried setting up a crypto wallet and wanted to give up immediately? All right, watch this. I'm gonna set up my Bittensor wallet in 5 minutes. No tech degree, super simple, just 5 minutes. If you can make a sandwich, you can do this. Okay, and if you don't believe me, we're gonna prove it to you right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Deciphering Crypto. I'm Shay, and we make crypto, blockchain, and AI simple for everyone. Here's today's plan. Quick explanation of what Bittensor is, create your wallet, the actual step-by-step, show you how to stake and earn rewards. All right, stay until the end for tips on getting TAO tokens, plus a referral link that helps you and the channel. All right, let's do it. So, what is Bittensor? It's a decentralized AI network where computers teach each other and get smarter together. People who contribute earn TAO tokens. That's the cryptocurrency. Think of TAO like arcade tickets. You earn for helping the AI network. Those tickets have real value and you need a secure place to store them. That's what this wallet is for. All right, simple enough? Great. Let's set it up. Super quick crash course on crypto wallets. Pay attention for 60 seconds. A crypto wallet stores your secret keys that prove you own TAO. 2 things to know. Your public address. Share this freely so people can send you TAO. It's like an email. And then point number 2 is your seed phrase. 12 secret words that are the master key to everything. If someone gets these, they steal your funds. If you lose them, your funds are gone forever. No customer service, no reset button. So we're gonna write these down on a piece of paper and protect them like gold. You got it? Oh, and Bittensor uses 2 keys. A cold key, that's the main safe, and hot key for advanced mining stuff. For the beginners, we only need the cold key and the wallet handles it automatically. All right, let's create this thing. We're using the Bittensor Wallet browser extension. It works on Chrome or Brave. I'm using Chrome, although I do love Brave. Go to the Chrome web store and search Bittensor Wallet. Here it is, offered by ARC Technology Labs. That's the official one. Also, I'm using the easiest method in my opinion for new users. Bittensor Wallet only secures TAO tokens and you can interact with the network right from the wallet. There are other wallets you can use like Talisman and Subwallet. The 2 biggest differences are these wallets can store additional types of crypto and you have to use a different interface to stake or interact with the Bittensor network. Okay, so from the Chrome web store, you're gonna click Add to Chrome, add extension, let it download, and then it's installed. Pin it to your toolbar for easy access, and step 1 is done, the wallet's installed. All right, set up a name for the account. Now create a strong password, and this locks the app on your device. At least 12 characters, a mix of everything. Confirm the password, and then continue. And here it is, the 12-word seed phrase. This is the most important part. I'm grabbing a pen and paper right now, writing each word down carefully, not typing, not screenshotting, paper only, because hackers can't hack paper in one of my desk drawers. People have lost millions by saving this in a Google Doc or by taking screenshots. Don't be that person. Now it's testing me, asking for specific words to confirm that I wrote them down. Checking my paper, entering the first test word, entering the second test word, and then it's confirmed. And now we have a Bittensor wallet. And that was literally just like 4 minutes. All right, so a quick tour. It'll show your TAO balance, and obviously it's currently 0 right when you set up the wallet. And this is your wallet address. It starts with a 5. That address is your account number. Share it freely when receiving TAO. It's public and safe to share. These tabs let you send, receive, stake, which we're covering next because that's how you earn rewards. Before we move on, those 12 words, store that paper someplace secure, a safe safety deposit box. And then you might even want to consider making a second copy. And then obviously never save it digitally. All right, so now let's make your TAO work for you. So wallet's set up, and how do you get TAO into it? You can buy it on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase and then withdraw it to your public address. Or use Caleb and Brown. They're like a crypto concierge service. Tell them what you want and they'll handle everything. We've got a referral link below. Using it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. If this video helped, we'd really appreciate it. And then here's where it gets really cool. You can stake your TAO to earn more TAO, like earning interest on a savings account. Bittensor gives you two options. Option one is root staking. Staking it to the root is like a big national bank. It's safer, it's more stable, steady returns, lower risk, modest rewards. Your TAO stays relatively safe. And then there's option two, which is subnet staking. Subnets are like investing in specific startup projects. Each subnet focuses on different AI tasks. If your subnet succeeds, you could earn way more, but if it struggles, you could lose value. Higher risk, higher reward. Root is the safe piggy bank. Subnets are the exciting but riskier investment opportunities. You can split between both. Let me show you how. Okay, so I've added some TAO to the wallet and I'm clicking stake. Here's the root at the top and all the subnets below. For root, I'd enter my amount, say 0.6 TAO. It shows estimated rewards. Click stake to root, confirm password, and you're done, earning rewards automatically. For subnets, the wallet shows performance charts, stake amounts, price trends for each subnet. You can obviously head over to TAO stats and get more details. Pick one that looks promising, or if you watched the last video on ranking the subnets, you have a plan put together and you can enter your amount. The wallet calculates the fees, click stake, confirm, and you're in. Your TAO is now earning rewards. That's it. A few clicks and you're staking. No complicated coding. The wallet handles everything. So why does any of this matter? You control your funds. You're participating in decentralized AI. Staking means supporting projects you believe in. You just learned a skill that applies to most blockchains. You're now much more crypto literate, and that's a huge deal in 2025 and beyond. And then just a quick note for the tech nerds, there's also a command line tool called BTCLI for advanced functions like mining and validators. But 95% of people, this browser wallet is going to be perfect. Just know the advanced option exists if you want it later. All right, let's recap. You installed the extension, created a wallet in 5 minutes, backed up your seed phrase securely, learned root versus subnet staking, saw how to actually stake TAO. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy crypto guides. If you have any questions or want to let me know what you think, drop a comment. I read every one of them. Congrats on setting up your wallet. You're now part of the decentralized AI revolution. And remember, none of this has been financial advice. Crypto is risky. You could lose money. Always do your own research before investing. I'm here to show you what I'm learning, not to tell you what to do with your money. Make smart decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take care.